Next up here, we have for number 2 on the Algebra 2 review, we have another solve this radical expression here. And this is a little bit simpler because I only have the square root on one side. And I'll go ahead and just square both sides here and see what shakes out. So on the left-hand side, now remember when you square a radical, you're just doing the opposite operation of square rooting, which is squaring, and it drops the radical. So you end up with 3x plus 4 on the left. And then when you square 7, that's just a number. 7 times 7 is 49. And you'll see we'll get to the end result rather quickly. If we subtract 4 from both sides, I'll get 3x equals, now 49 minus 4 gives us 45. When we divide by 3, we get x equals 15. Nice whole number. All right, that's it for that one.